Alright, hello everybody, my name is Ender Gaming today again. So today we're gonna be playing Turbo Dismount. I like put a hat on my character. Yeah, just for fun. As you saw it on the title already. There was an update of this game. So there's new people, new maps, new poses, new splats, new people, and I don't really know what's new, but I know that hat is new. Just got a little. So let's go. Listen, this level is called the crazy run. So something like that. I forgot what it's called. So come on, bird. Wait, what? Wait. No, bird. Oh wait, just that's it. Okay, that was fun. We're gonna try that again. Come on. I can make it. I'll make it. You'll never. What? So bird. Okay, we're gonna go again. So, come on. Better make it. Yes. No, bird. What are you doing? Wait, what the? I need still. Wait, I don't even know what the hell actually happened here. Wait. Oh, there he is. Alright guys, this one's called the race battle, so let's go. Oh, this one you get crashed easily. Oh, you missed that. You'll never believe in me. Oh my god, what the, how did he, Oh, he's still going. Oh my god, please, stop that chaos. Wait, where did I go? Oh, here I am. Hi, buddy. How you doing? Wait, let's see what actually happened here. Spook. Okay, that was fun. Let's try that again. Yes, I faster than. Oh, come on. Space is key. Oh, no. Don't catch me. Oof. Oh, yeah, okay. It's gonna be fine. Oh, that. Wait, let me. Hi, buddy. Okay, how about we just go slow here, just so we can, Alright, so I'm just gonna go slow. Oh my god. This is gonna be so. Alright, how about I just go on the street already? Oh my goodness. Should I go fast already? Yeah. Why are you just following my... Oh, here I am. Alright guys, this one's actually called the split discussion. So, let's give it a shot. I'm gonna use a Tokyo Bird because I think it's gonna be really fun. So, let's see what happens. I hope it does something funny. Where'd you go? Where did I go? Ugh. Oh, wait, sorry guys. Here I am. Alright, that was fun. This time we're gonna go to the other way. It's gonna be so fun. Oh wow, now that is. Oh no, I'm so sorry. Oh, you're okay. It's gonna be fine. See, totally fine. Alright, this time we're gonna go on that side again because it was totally fun. So let's come on, you better do something. I got so many pieces. Oh my god. Oh no. No. I'm so sorry. Oh, you're okay. It's gonna be alright. Alright guys, that was it, a Turbo Dismount. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, but these maps were, holy crap, they were fun. Yeah, I won't be making more videos of these. I'll just comment down below and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.